Okay, question. With your ute mounted toolboxes, how do you keep all your stuff organised in like a Faber box that doesn't come with inserts? Is it just me, or does everyone else have the same issue? Is everyone else pedantic when it comes to keeping their tools organised, or am I just the only lunatic out there? Who else gets frustrated trying to find stuff? Like, I spent a fair bit of time looking at foam and things, inserts, and this is the only solution I've come up with so far. I'm not 100% happy with it. So who's got an idea, let me know. So yeah, I've cut out this foam. It's 2 layers, so it sits on the foam and then there's another layer holding it all in. That's just the sockets. I did one for screwdrivers, done one for spanners and stuff. But it's not working out real well because the Faber boxes don't give you enough storage or space. They've got plenty of storage, but enough space to line them out neatly. Like the spanners are just in a jumble of metric and imperial. So is there a solution out there? Let me know if there is, because I'd really like to see one, and I really would like it. Maybe I 3D print one. Maybe that's an option. Let me know.